Hey, what is up guys, it's PMHK here obviously. So I'm at this place, it's actually a little place a bit far from home. This place is called Little Paris. I'm away from home, I decided to actually make a video for you guys, and we're gonna go through what's on my iPhone. I think the video on this, or a video similar to this that I did, was almost a year ago, so I need an update to that video, so this is that video. So let's jump straight to it. I'm obviously gonna put my screen to record first of all so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I can't just be talking about applications on the phone and you guys can't see. So to start off, we're going to start off obviously with the first page. The first page, I keep it blank, as you guys might know if you saw one of the previous video. And on the first page, I have the calendars app, I have the notes, the photos, and the music. Pretty much standard and basic. On my second page, I have, as usual, also I keep it basic. Even on a previous phone that I did this video on, I think it was the iPhone 6 or 8 if I'm not mistaken. But go check that video. I'm trying to link this video up here somewhere on this side. I always forget how to link this thing, and you guys can go check that video. So on the second page, I have the weather, FaceTime, camera, and the home app. The home app, I really don't know until this day why this app is here, because I hardly use this, and if I could actually delete it, I would delete it. But there's somebody actually talking on the phone very loud. I think you guys can hear him, eh? So now that the guy that was sitting there talking on the phone very loud is gone, let's just carry on and try and finish this as quick as we can so we can't get interrupted anymore. So moving right along, I have the calculator. We all know these are normally stock applications that we have here. I really don't have to talk about this one, so let's just jump into my online. This thing is, I think I haven't really updated much of this, but to start off, we have the App Store. This is where obviously you go and you download the application for the phone, and then you have the Let Go. Funny enough about this application, you won't find it on the Apple Store anymore. I think it's been discontinued, but the one in my phone still works. I don't know who really is still selling stuff here, but that's what I use normally to buy things locally when I want to buy it from other people that are selling in the country, not necessarily from other big sellers. Right after that, we have Superbalist. This Superbalist app is really good. My little sister actually uses it a lot to do her videos on, and I actually bought a couple of I bought a table and a little smaller table. I'm probably gonna show you guys in one of the videos when I actually unbox those stuff. So moving along, I have MyUS. This is the agent I use to get my stuff into the country. It's a forwarding agent. And then we have Uber Eats. It's actually been a while since I got stuff from Uber Eats, but yeah, that's Uber Eats you guys probably familiar with. And moving right after that, we have the Take a Lot. This is like my Amazon app for South Africa. And then we have the eBay, which I obviously buy stuff once in a while, but I think this month I'm gonna have to buy a couple of things from the Uber Eats, and they're fighting. The kids are fighting right there. Anyways, I'm actually surrounded with people, so if you hear noises, it's because the people around me are kind of making noise, if I can call it that. So moving right along, we have the Amazon. The last time I checked Amazon, they actually had an option to ship to South Africa. I think it would be a direct shipping to South Africa, unlike in the past where you actually needed to use an agent directly. But obviously not all the stock that is on Amazon is, you would have that option to send it to South Africa. But yeah, Amazon has been updated, but I think they now support sending to South Africa directly. You guys should go check it out, or I can just check it out for you guys and probably make a video about it. And let's actually just go to things that I think you guys might be interested in so we can speed up this video. So moving to finance, we don't need finance. I have some banking apps there. I have the FNB Bank, I have the Net Bank, I have PayPal. PayPal should be your pal. You should be using PayPal if you actually want to be buying things from online, overseas online stores. Use PayPal. I really recommend you guys use PayPal. And the best application for you guys to use with PayPal should be, the best bank, and I'm not being endorsed or sponsored to say this to you guys, but the best bank for you guys to use with PayPal would be FNB, because they are the direct supporters of this PayPal if I can call, company in the country. Moving down to the line before the last line, we have the health app, we have the photo and entertainment app. On the entertainment app, I have my Crunchyroll, I have Netflix, and I have SoundCloud. Crunchyroll is where I watch my anime. Netflix, we all know Netflix, and that's where you watch your series. If I can just go inside it quick. Let's see what I've been watching lately. Fast, come on, load. And it's loaded. Okay, you guys can just take a look of what I've been watching. This is continue watching. And yeah, that's the Netflix app. So moving to the next one, I have my Bible. I actually have the Bible in my what do you call this, in my widgets area, so I can have like a notification. Also, I can have a quick glance to what the verse of the day is. So this is my Bible app. You guys should actually download the Bible app. It's really cool. And down there we have Crowdfire. Crowdfire is an application where you use to schedule your post on Instagram, but I hardly use it, so let's keep Crowdfire. And you have the DJI Go there, you know, guys know Shazam. And then we have the Canon app, which I use to transfer the files in this camera to my phone. And this is the last page, so let's just have a run on this page. We have Design Home, don't use it. We have the Red Bull app. Red Bubble, I don't even know what this app is about. Let's actually delete it right now because I don't use it, so I have it here. Let's delete it. I'll probably remember later what it is for, and I'm going to regret having deleted it. So we have the TuneIn. This is a radio app. It's a streaming radio on online, obviously. We have the Magic Home. The Magic Home is a smart gadgets application which I use to turn on my lights. Is it my lights or my power smart plug? I don't really remember, but I'm gonna check that to you guys. If you really want to know what that is, just leave a comment below asking me what the Magic Home does, and I'm going to probably answer. By then I will definitely know what it is. And then we have the Wish app. The Wish app, I made a video about it. It's Wish South Africa. I don't know if the application is actually Chinese, but the products that you find on Wish are Chinese products that you can buy and send them or then ship them to Africa directly. And from what I got from people is that this application actually, the products in the application actually take a bit while to come to the country since it's coming from China. So you're looking at around an ETA of 2 to 3 months if you are lucky. So yeah, that's the Wish app. And moving right along is Spotify. I also made a video about Spotify. They actually new in South Africa, in Africa as a whole, and they like Apple Music. They music streaming services. They are really good when it comes to playlists, because I think people create their playlists and make it available for other people to listen to them. And then we have the live wallpaper. This is where I download my wallpapers. You have the StockX. If you're what do you call this? A sneaker fanatic like me, I actually just got new sneakers. Yeah, shout out to Ray K. That's my friend Rachel. She's actually behind me saying, shout me out. Yeah, you know those kind of people. And that's this StockX application is where you can buy sneakers. Obviously it's from the States, and as I said, you're gonna need that PayPal account, and you're probably gonna need that agent to get it to this side. But I haven't really used it yet, but when I do, I'm gonna tell you guys how it goes. And then you have the Mr. Price. That's where I buy home furniture and decor. Then you have the Skyforce. This Skyforce game is the one I use, and Nintendo Switch. This is just the iPhone application of it. And then we have Hyperlapse. The Hyperlapse obviously is where you used to do your time lapses. And we have Over you used to edit pictures and put nice titles on it. And moving right after that, you have Vasco. That's VSCO. Is actually a very famous application. Many people that use Instagram actually use this for their filters and so forth. Then you have Unsplash. Unsplash is actually a new application that I downloaded after watching a video on backgrounds, because people normally tend to ask, what's that background, what's this background that you have on your phone or on your computer. So this Unsplash is a good application for you guys to go and download your background and wallpapers. And you have the GIF keyboard. Obviously the GIF keyboard is where you find GIF or GIF or GIF. So yeah, I hope this video wasn't too long. So this is gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys are also subscribed to the channel. We have great things to come, obviously, and welcome to those that are new to the channel. We normally have fun in this channel. At least I like to think we have fun in this channel. Or you can just drop a comment down there and ask the people that are already subscribed to the channel if we have fun in this channel. And obviously there are giveaways and all those goodies. So this is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, leave it a thumbs up. And obviously I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Okay. I'm safe now. Yes.
You even drank Oros once.
Like this video. Back to the Future. Mario Brothers.